XRP's price could be getting ready to make a major move. And we're starting to see a trend when it comes to people talking about XRP. We're seeing people come in from the stock market. We're seeing traders who predominantly only talk about Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum. Everybody is starting to address what's happening with XRP. We've been on a nice bounce back. We'll take a look at the charts later on in the video. But in this one in particular, we're talking about a potential 883% price surge. This would take XRP to $24, and the XRP army is reacting as one of the biggest XRP haters out there. And this is what I'm talking about. People who don't even necessarily like XRP, who don't believe in Ripple, the company, even they are being forced right now to talk about the price appreciation and the potential that they're seeing with the price of XRP when they just strictly look at technical analysis. When they just strictly look at price action, people are saying, wow, there's a lot to like here about XRP. And that says a lot, right? Because these are people who aren't necessarily fanboys, people who are just wanting the price to explode. This is coming from people who don't really have a lot of skin in the game, which is really interesting and something you don't see all the time. But XRP is certainly looking unbelievable here as one of the top assets in the top 10. We'll take a look at the overall market here real quick, guys. Bitcoin drawing down a little bit here in the last hour, but still up slightly here in the last 24. Market itself pretty flat across the board, up about a half percentage point. XRP outpacing everything else right now in the top 10. That and Tron, XRP up a little bit more. And it's up 15+% here in the last week, sitting right now at $2.80. $161 billion market cap, just above Tether's $142 billion market cap, and sitting there in the top three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. A lot of people chattering saying, hey, XRP now, it's a 2x away from surpassing Ethereum's market cap, which is insane to think about. And it has the potential here, guys, to pass up Ethereum in this bull cycle. A lot of people saying, hey, this could actually happen because XRP could be getting ready for another 8 to 10x. When we look at Ethereum right now, what maybe a 2 to 3x from here could be, in the cards. A lot of people saying maybe 7 to 10K. With XRP, we've got crazy price targets, potentially getting up to $24. So let's talk about this article a little bit, which I, again, found super interesting. So you guys know Jeremy. Da Vinci called Bitcoin at $1. It's one of the biggest haters of XRP. But recently, Jeremy expressed a bullish sentiment about XRP. He's known to be a Bitcoin maximalist, but he predicted XRP could surge to as high as $20 to $24 during this bull run. For years, Jeremy called XRP a shitcoin, even suggesting it could fall to zero. But now, the recent bullish XRP performance has Jeremy looking at the charts and saying, you know what? I've been a critic, but there is a lot to like here. And very similarly, okay, we've had bullish things said about XRP from CEO of Real Vision, Raoul Pal, and popular trader Peter Brandt. Brandt predicted XRP could reach 500 billion in market cap. This would result in an $8 price target. And currently with Jeremy's $24 target, that would represent an 883% increase in the price of XRP. And obviously the community is loving it. And basically they're saying, hey, the critics just don't want to look like fools here when XRP sends higher. And Tony Edward, founder of Thinking Crypto Podcast, reacted to Jeremy's newfound optimism with a bit of sarcasm. He said, quote, XRP hater capitulation, saying it's beautiful to behold. He highlighted the growing number of critics now reluctantly changing their tune and giving crazy price targets for XRP. Jeremy remains skeptical about XRP, but still says, hey, from strictly a chart perspective, this has some crazy potential. It's been on a nice rebound, guys. We flushed all the way down to 179 back in early February, about 12 days ago. Since that time period, we did close that day at 259. That was a crazy day. But since that time period, we continued to draw down. We had a close down to 230. Then we had the reversal day on February 7th. 8 days ago, we started this reversal that we're currently on. And again, nice little uptrend here. Yesterday was a big green candle day. we're showing a nice V-shaped recovery. Our next big targets here, like 320, 325. If we can breach those levels, that is when I think XRP could go up and set some new all-time highs. And right now, guys, we are running a crazy, crazy deal. When you sign up with BTCC using my link, you're going to get entered to win this month $500 in XRP. There's going to be 4 lucky winners when you sign up and start trading with me over at BTCC. So if you guys want access to this opportunity, come on over. There's a link down below in the description. And it's a great place to trade, guys. They've been trusted by millions of people for 13 plus years. And again, when you sign up using my link only and start trading over there, you're going to have a chance to win $500 in XRP. So those links are down below in the description of this video. And we're also looking at this RWA move, right? This entire RWA sector. You know, projects like Algorand are really in a good position. But if you sort the RWA sector, you know, you've got Chainlink and Avalanche. Ripple's not on this list, but they are heavily in the tokenization industry as well. This, I think, could certainly cause a price breakout. They're partnered up with Ondo Finance. They're working with the biggest players here in the sector. Ondo, speaking of Ondo, it's down to 128 right now. I think that's a great pullback, great position there for Ondo. If you're looking for an entry, that's just my opinion. This is the lowest we've been here in the last 7 days on the price of Ondo. But World Liberty Fi partnered up with Ondo. Recently, Donald Trump Jr. followed the Ripple account. So there's a lot going on in the back channels here. We've got all the stuff happening with XRP ETFs that we've been, addressing in videos. All of these being recognized, Grayscales, BlackRocks, all of their ETFs for XRP being recognized by the SEC. And I think it's just a matter of time until we get to the point where we're done with the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. We can move completely on from that. Then we usher in ETFs. We see institutional demand really ramp up because of this. But the real big break point, I think, for XRP is going to be tokenization as a service. And when you listen to a lot of people, they have been talking about what Ripple's main aim has been all along. Yes, they've stayed relevant through cross-border payments. This is coming from people in the industry. But the real push here, the real aim in what Ripple really wants to do is they want to offer tokenization as a service to the big banks. This is why they're potentially partnering up with companies like Ondo. They want to work with Trump and the entire Trump family here with World Liberty Fi, because they too want to be at the center of all of this, tokenization push that we're moving into. This is going to be the big move from TradFi to DeFi, the merging of the two. And Ripple's very, very well positioned with their XRPL technology to be a big player here. But from a price standpoint, guys, there's so many catalysts that could potentially catapult us into double-digit XRP. Very excited about where the future lies, and we'll be keeping track of everything. Make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel. A lot of people watch these videos. They forget to click the subscribe button. Make sure you do that. It's totally free, and you'll get all these videos right to your phone once we post them. And I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of breaking news stories over the next several months, so you're going to want to be locked in. Again, guys, appreciate you all for watching. Check out those BTCC links down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.